Hey there, everyone. It's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful. I just wanted to share this with you. This is a $10 system. Here is the website up here. I will put it in the description as well. But guys, if you want to build a business, okay, or this $10 system actually qualifies as a business as well. And here's one of the lead capture pages, which I think is really great. The autoresponder messages, the messages are going to go to work for you. Once you sign into the system, the messages are great and will probably close most people. And so I want to encourage you to take a look at how you can join our Team Payday 10K Club. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I just posted on Facebook, got $10 and a desire to grow a business or start an online business, and had 2 people right away that replied. So it's super simple. My website is totally free.biz. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. My number is 618-223-6006. Have yourself a wonderful day.